Today I'm going to share with you a secret of freelancing, where these online gurus use the secrets but they never share it with you. Just like Ishan, look at his website. You can clearly see that his niche is content marketing agency, where he's targeting only the content creators, right? But he never discuss about niche in his freelancing videos. Not only Ishan, many others online gurus, they use this secret called niche. And there is me who want to share with you the secrets of freelancing. I'm Akinjan, a self-taught freelancer with the skill of UI UX. I am in the freelance industry for the past 6 years. In this channel, I help freelancers just like you to know the secrets of freelancing so that you can launch a successful and a profitable career in freelancing. So I want you to subscribe the channel and like this video for more secretive videos. In this video, we'll talk about niche, where maximum of the freelancers, they miss it. And that's the reason why they fail. First, we will understand what is niche. Secondly, we'll learn about the benefits of niche and how it can change your freelancing career. And third, you will learn how to find a niche, where you will be learning how to get clients and all. Before going to the topic, I want you to do an exercise with me. In the comment section, write your name, your skill, and what are the problem you are solving for. For example, I'm Akinjan, a UI UX designer who help business to launch their website. So pause this video and comment first. Then I'll be explaining you what are the mistakes you are making. Done? Coming to the topic, what is niche? Niche is a subset of larger market that has its own specific needs, which are different from other market in some other way. For example, in a video editing industry, there are many niches like gaming, making blogs, making a documentary video, etc. So these are the niches you need to find out, and there are various niches in an industry which you need to find out, and that can change your life forever. Here is another example of Ishan's website, Marketup. Here you can see Marketup is a content marketing agency. So what do you think? What is their niche? Their niche is to grow brands in social media. They help the brands to grow on social media. So, did you see the difference between yours and his websites? It is only a niche that you need to add in your freelancing portfolio. Now let's discuss about the benefits of niche and how it can change your life forever. First point is easier to market. When I was in the starting phase of freelancing journey, I used to say to my clients that I am Akinjan, a UI UX designer that helps business to create a website. And maximum of the clients, they rejected me. You know what is the reason? Clients always rejected me saying, why should I give you the project? You don't know anything about this business. With this approach, I was always rejected. Then I changed my approach and converted in niche approach. And I approached the company by saying that I am Akinjan, a UI UX designer that creates a website for edtech companies who sell their courses online. And this completely changed my freelancing career, because I forced the client to think that yes, I am good at that business. I know about the business. So they get the confidence to work with me because I know about the business. With this approach, I got maximum of my clients, and I guarantee it will work for you too. Now I want you to comment below with the approach I have done. First, you need to address yourself, your skill, then your niche, and what can you do different. And I want you to do this exercise, and I hope to get good comments from you. With this approach, it will be easy for you to market yourself. And in that way, you can even overcome your competition. Yes, you can overcome your competition. Second point is how to destroy your competition. Let me tell you a story of me and my friend, whose name is Trishit. So Trishit is a good video editor, and I don't know anything about video editing. Okay. So there is a client who needs a video editor to edit his blogs. And he challenged me that I should approach the client in my way and he should approach the client in his own way. So starting with him, he started approaching the client that I am a very good video editor and he can give a high quality videos to your audience. I approached the client by saying, I am Akinjan, a video editor who edit videos for blogs for content creators. And what do you think? Who got the client? Just comment below. And I hope now you understand who got the client. Look, whatever skill you have, you can never be the best. There is always someone who can do better than you. But you can be the best in your niche. And with that, you can eat your competitors. And that's how you can dominate in Fiverr, Upwork and other freelance platforms. Coming to the third point of benefits, building a portfolio in your niche. I have multiple portfolios for my niches, so you can do the same. I want you to make a specialized portfolio according to your niche. I have already made a detailed video in portfolio, you can check this out. Now you have already understood the benefits of niche and how it can change your life forever. I want you to like this video and subscribe the channel. And now coming to the most important part of this video, how to pick a niche. If you are thinking to pick a niche and start approaching them, I guarantee you'll surely fail because you don't know how to pick a niche. In this point, we'll learn about how to get your clients, will they pay for the services you provide, and how to find them. So let's understand how to pick a niche. Before picking a niche, you need to understand the financial condition of your niche. You need to find out how much money they are making, how many employees do they have. You have to know about the product or services they provide and what are the prices. And lastly, you need to find out, are they paying for your services or not? You need to ask these questions to find out the financial condition of your needs. And it is important because, look, you are here to earn money. If you choose a niche that doesn't have a financial stability to pay you, then you are completely fucked. Coming to the second point, how to find client. Before asking this question, I want you to think this first. You need to understand that, is the niche big enough that you can work on your niche with multiple companies? What I suggest is, when you are choosing a niche, there should be around 100 to thousands of companies in that niche so that you can work with them on long term without changing your niche. And the last question to ask to pick a niche is, can you easily find those businesses and easily reach them? While choosing a niche, you need to find out the business should have online presence like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, anything. And if you are choosing offline niches, try finding them in Google Maps. I have seen many people complaining about not getting clients. And with this approach, I guarantee you, you will surely get your clients and you'll get your project. And if you are still here, I want to give you a bonus tip. This is just only one secret that maximum creators hide from you. In this video, I have provided every secret to start your freelancing career. Now, go and know the secret, otherwise fail as maximum freelancers in the market.